Hi everyone! Welcome back to Draw Animals for Kids, where we bring the wild to life through drawing. Today, we're going to draw the king of the jungle, a mighty lion. So grab your paper and pencils, and let's get started. First, let's start with the lion's head. Draw a large circle in the center of your paper. This will be the main shape for the lion's face. Please follow along and draw along. Now, let's bring our lion to life with some colors. Use shades of brown and yellow for the lion's body and mane. The mane can be darker than the body, and don't forget to color in the nose and paws. Fantastic! A powerful lion, king of the jungle, standing proudly in its habitat. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time!